right, welcome back everybody. We're still on the 24 Lowrider ST. We've got the manifold pulled out, fuel rail pulled out, and we're going to be installing the new S&S version as compared to the factory plastic version. These are known to get hot and disfigure. We're also going in with 5.5 injectors. Technically they're 5.38, but as a generic term, everybody calls them 5.5s.
I did not know that.
So we're going to go and start disassembling this now and changing all the throttle body and all the components over to the aluminum manifold. Put the new injectors in the fuel rail and then go back in with it. So the S&S manifold is now in place. The new injectors are in place. We're buttoning up the top motor mount now. And we will be setting the tank back down in place and moving forward. Button the tank back up. And the next thing we'll be doing is the S&S high flow breather. That's coming up here in just a second.
One eternity later.
Well, good morning, everybody.
What's that?
Today we're going to finalize the Lowrider ST project. We did the CR483 cam, Thundermax, the 5.5 injectors, S&S aluminum intake manifold, S&S adjustable push rods, and of course this bike's only got about, let's see how many miles it's got on it. Looks like about 1,880 miles. So we're going to be doing the initial run up on it today. You can see the S&S intake in there, right in there. But we're going to be doing the initial run up on it today. So stay tuned. Let me get everything set up and I'll let you hear what it sounds like with a 117 with a CR483 cam, 2-in-1 Thundermax. Hold on. All right, we've got the Thundermax set to monitor the initial run up, and we're going to go ahead and start it. Okay, we've reached our 180-degree threshold. Very, very little changes in the map. So we're going to go ahead and shut it down.
That would be great.
All right, take it for a test ride, make sure the timing's right. And we're going to wait for one more piece here. We're waiting for the filter that goes in here. It's an outer stinger filter.
Yeah, that's what happened.
And it should be here today. And then other than that, the customer Jason can come get it and enjoy it, ride it. We sure appreciate everybody watching these videos. If you have any questions or concerns, give me a call. The The number here at the shop is 334-997-4906. My name is Steve. I'm always glad to help. I don't have all the answers. Never do, never will. I'll do my best to help you. I want to do a little bit of an addendum to this video. I haven't ridden these STs, the Lowriders STs. I might have ridden one of them. But I'm going to tell you, this is a phenomenal motorcycle, guys, especially with the mods that we just did on this thing. Brutal, just a brutal machine. About 3,500. This thing comes on like a freight train. Highly recommend the 483 cam, 5.5 injectors. That's for this 117. That's the ticket.
Yeah, that's a ticket.
I'm no expert by any stretch of the imagination. There's people out there that know 100 times more than I'll ever know. But I do know one thing. If you happen to be able to get a chance to ride one that's set up like this one, it'll make you want to sign your name somewhere. This is a good running, good riding bike, good seating position, lightweight, all the power anybody could ever want. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.